Hey guys, it's me. Cold ass fucking night. The wind is fucking cold. That's all I to describe tonight. It's about 12:30 in the morning, and I gotta do the driveway again. Fun. Just did probably about 2 hours ago. Figured I'd get a cold start on the tractor for you guys. So here we go. Alright, here she goes. Let's see if she starts. Oh, barely. Get some throttle warm up. Walk over to the truck, warm that thing up. Fucking cold. Wind chill right now is about 2 blowout. Just to give you an idea. Not to mention, I really don't have any brakes on this thing now that I'm looking. Because it's all packed in there. Son of a bitch. That sucks. Oh well. I feel like a penguin right now. See if truck open. Oh shit. Houston, truck's almost frozen. There we go. Alright, cold starting Ram 2500. Here we go. There we go. Alright, that puppy's started. Now I'm warm up for a little bit. I'll get a video of me plowing some of this. Fun stuff. Oh. Carbine turnout boost. Snow's 5 inches deep about halfway up. So I'll get a video of me scraping it. It's cold out. I'm shivering. I'm going back inside, guys. I'll get a video up in a little bit. Bye.